Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I just got another package for the Ruckus. Let's find out what it is. Ooh, yeah. Can you guys see that? It says Ruckus. Alright, this is a seat cover for the Ruckus seat from Cheeky Seats. This is the extra padding. Oh yeah, that shit feels good. Nice and cushion. I got it with carbon sides and Ruckus fabric with gray stitching. So let's go install this on the Ruckus and see how it looks. Alright guys, the seat cover is finally on. This is how it looks. Got it all black with the carbon sides and the gray stitching. I did a super good job on that. Damn. I'm gonna do a whole walk around. Hell yeah. What do you guys think? Does it match the bike? I got the carbon sides because I have a little bit of carbon parts. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, you know? Also this back piece. I don't know if this goes down over time or the sun has to hit in and it has to settle. But we'll find that out. Well, this is how it looks so far. Hell yeah. And don't forget about the cushion. It has extra cushion. And just from the first time sitting on it, feels pretty good for them long rides. Oh yeah. See you guys next time. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments.